Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adabas, sriyakal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam, and khamma khani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, guys. And today we are talking about how to build self discipline, right? How do I make myself more disciplined in daily life, right? That's what we are going to do today, and it's an important topic because self discipline is one thing which many students lacks, and this is what separates you from achieving whatever you want. Self discipline is very important. Whatever you want, you'll start doing hard work rather than wasting time. You'll start focusing on your work rather than procrastinating it if you develop self discipline, if you know how to discipline yourself, how to tell yourself that it's enough for today. You like, if a match is there and if you have an exam tomorrow, how to tell yourself that no, this match is not important, exams are more important. Or like even if you are say playing time, if the exams are coming, playing time has to be reduced and our focus should be more on studies. Okay. Any goal, any target you have, achieving those, say sometimes you need to uh, lose those enjoyment in life which other students might be doing, but you have to lose those, you have to get rid of those because you are working towards a target, right? So this is the most basic thing with which you start, and this is going to definitely change your personality, and it will make you more positive mindset person because you'll be doing your work, and it will definitely make you more happy. All right, because when you start going near your target, near your goal, you definitely will feel happiness, right? So guys, this is Gopal Palibal. I'm your master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu, and we'll be talking about how to build self discipline. Now, as I have told you guys, like, this is a very important thing right now, as in and particularly in the student life. So it will, like, what are the benefits? So why it is important? So obviously it will give you the power to achieve your goals. It will bring self control and inner strength. It will make your personality more stronger. If it requires for you to study or do some work continuously for 2 days, you have to do that. That's very important. You will have that inner strength to do something like that. All right. It also helps you to stick to your decisions and not to lose sight of your goals, because every day when you're working towards your goal, you will never lose say your focus, because every day you're working towards it every day. So that's why you will never lose your focus. Also, it will help you accomplish goals because you are disciplined and gives you the ability to not give up. It will make you a winner. Winners are those who never give up. It's as simple as that. Okay, so let's start, guys. So first thing which you need to start doing, what are the steps with which you can start? See, many of the students, what they feel like, sir, these qualities you cannot get it. Like, some students are born with it, you are not born with it, but it's not like that, guys. All the habits can be developed. So first thing over here is, do one small good thing every day that you dislike doing. Now, why do we do it? This activity will help you to understand that there are some work which you need to do irrespective of whether you like it or not. For example, say cleaning your room. For example, say studying any book, any subject which you don't like, making your own bed before you once you wake up, making your own bed, keeping it clean. All right, all these things. So these are the things, taking the stairs instead of elevator, right? So these are some small little things which you may not like it more, but you start doing it because that will bring self discipline to you. Like, if you don't like cleaning your room, make it a habit that once you'll every day you'll be cleaning your room, you'll be arranging your room, you'll be making your room a more say better way, better place, right? If you don't, as like suppose, when first thing when you're getting up from the bed, first thing you should do is make your bed. So these are the small little things which will say generate discipline in you. All right, and slowly it will become your habit. Okay, so this will teach you, like, if you are doing a work which you don't like and still you are doing it daily, that will definitely, you can understand, will develop a sense of discipline in you. Second is, find an accountability partner. Now, finding a partner who will be helping you in growing, you can help each other in going, you can rely on each other for growing towards your target is very important. Now this can be your friend, can be your sibling, anyone. All right, so any partner you can choose, and both of you should help each other in growing in your academics performance, right? So you can take each other's test, you can teach each other some topics. All right, so this will definitely help you since you will be having a partner. So if you get deviated, you can tell the other one that, yeah, I think we are deviating a lot, let's focus on our work. All right, but in this case it's very important that your partner also is serious towards your own goal. All right, so make sure you choose your partner very wisely. Next thing, don't say negative things about yourself. This, like, make it a like not just a habit, make a promise to yourself, guys, that you will never say any negative thing about yourself. You will never say anything negative, and I cannot rely on this as much as I can, but, like, trust me, this is the best thing which you'll be learning from this whole session. Never say anything negative about yourself. You can do anything you want. The only thing which is standing between you and your goal is yourself. You have to make yourself move and reach towards your target. All right, no matter what the decision, what the difficulties come, you have to keep moving forward. So never ever say anything negative about yourself. You should be the person, even if the whole world is against you. Trust yourself. Trust yourself, and that kind of trust only makes you a successful person. All right, then realize that there is never a perfect time to start, right? It's not like the after 3 days, October 1st, I'll start studying October 1st. Don't think it is a perfect time. Now is the perfect time. If you want to do any work, the perfect time to do that is now. Start doing it now. You will see this point I'll be telling in all of my sessions that, guys, don't wait for any time, don't procrastinate. If you want to do some things, do it now. This is the time. All right, so don't wait for any perfect moment, any perfect time. This is the time. Now is the perfect time to start any work, and start with very small steps, but be consistent. Never lose your consistency. Start with small steps, then make your daily targets more, but be consistent. Start with one chapter a day, two chapter a day, make it 3 4. Increase your target, but be consistent. Don't be like first day you read 10 chapters, after 10 days you're not even touching the book. That should not happen. Be consistent. All right, consistency is very important. Consistency is the key. All right, so guys, write down your target. What is going to be your target for the upcoming time? Right now you can say, I'm going to score your marks, whatever marks you will be getting, make it 10% more, make it more compared to what you have got till now, this many percentage in your term 1, and start preparing for it. Put that goal in your mind, focus on it, and start studying. That's what you need to do. All right, so guys, remember, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. So if you want to reach to your goal and make it your accomplishment, what is the thing which will lead you to over there towards their discipline? Because when you're disciplined, you will definitely be working towards your goal. All right, so always remember, guys, this. So again, guys, if you want any kind of help in your preparation, you can definitely join Vedantu's Pro courses. Link for joining is in the description box. Don't forget to apply GPE Pro, and 30th September is the last date for VIP enrollment. You can go for term 1 crash course. The prices are really less, 4,950 for Pro Classic and 4,500 for Pro Lite after applying GPE Pro, and also you get unlimited micro courses as well. So very good course right now, guys. You can definitely go for it. Okay, bachcho. So this is all from my side. Start studying. This is the perfect time right now, as you all know. And if you have liked this video, please don't forget to like this video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.